Welcome, in front of me is a BOCOIN K800, and today I will show you how to do a factory reset through factory mode. So to get started, we'll need to power off the phone, so hold the power key and select power off, confirm it once more and wait for the device to shut off. Now once it has, we will hold volume down and power key. So now we can hold volume down and power key, so both keys simultaneously. You can let go now, and from here we will use volume down to scroll down and power key to confirm whatever we select. And with that in mind, select clear eMMC, so right here, and press power key to confirm it. And now, as you can see, formatting data. The device will begin removing all personal data and will take around several minutes, so just be patient. And once it's finished, the Android will power back on normally. So I'll be back once the Android screen is basically visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and the device is fully reset and all personal data is wiped. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.